Hello guys, if your laptop has a problem, there are 4 things you are supposed to check. First, you are supposed to check here. You are supposed to check the fan of your laptop. So if this fan is faulty, is not working well, it will affect your laptop's operation. So you are supposed to check if the fan is spinning or not. If it is not spinning, it has just got stagnant in one place, just know that that laptop is not going to work. So sometimes laptops can fail to work because of their fans. So sometimes this fan get faulty, so what you're supposed to do is to remove and then replace with a new fan. Like this one of mine, this one had a problem of fan and I have removed already, so I want to go to the market so that I can buy, I fix it, it will start to work. Secondly, you're supposed to check the memory of your laptop. If the memory is not working, the laptop will not start. This memory is here, so you are supposed to check. If there are 2 memories, you are supposed to check one by one by inserting one by one as you start your laptop. If you hear any sound or it has failed to start, it means that sometimes the problem could be here. And if the problem is the RAM, you are supposed to change these RAM sticks so that you can put the new one for it to work. And the third problem is the hard disk. Sometimes hard disk get faulty. So if the hard disk has failed to work to hold the operating system, it means that the laptop will not work as well. So you are supposed to check. If the hard disk is okay, the memory is okay, the problem could be the fan. And if the fan is okay, then you are supposed to now check the 4th one, which is the processor, where the processor is. Sometimes the processor of laptops tend to fail, and when they fail, it means that the laptop will not start. Even if you hit start button, it is not going to start. So those are the kind of 4 major parts you are supposed to check within the laptop. And last but not least is the battery. So the battery of the laptop, sometimes some laptops, once their batteries have problems, you'll find that it will affect the operation of the laptop. The laptop will not start because of this battery. So you are supposed to remove the battery and then try to put the charger first to see if it is going to work without that battery. And if it works, it means that the battery has been the problem. So if you have tried all these kind of diagnosis and you find that the laptop is not working well, that is the time you are supposed to take your laptop to someone who knows how to repair the laptop, the technician who knows how to repair the laptop. But before you take there, you are supposed to diagnose your own laptop. Don't waste money. First, just make sure that you have tried all the means to diagnose for yourself before taking it to someone else. So that is what I wanted you to understand about laptop repair tips. So if yours has a problem like this, please, you can put it in the comment section. And also, just remind you, if you are having a laptop, don't put it on your bed like this. Don't put it on your bed, because once you put your laptop on your bed, it means that it will affect the way this fan moves. So there's a reason why they have put this thing here, this one here. They have put this one here for making it at least to allow the air to pass through, at least to allow the movement of air within the laptop. But once you put on your bed like this, it means that the circulation of air is not going to be enough here, and as a result, the computer will have a lot of heat. It will just heat you. Even once you touch it like this, it will not work well. So you need to take caution about that. Otherwise, if there's anything, maybe your laptop is misbehaving on the side of screens or what, that is another different story. But if it is about this, that is what you can do. So like I said, if the laptop has a problem more than what you can handle. Just take it to someone who knows how to deal with laptops repair, and your laptop can be fixed.